I'm Bob Sievers, and I'm a hemp farmer, and I'm also a hemp scientist. And I've been studying these plants for the past 4 years. The difference between hemp and marijuana is only the amount of THC, the one that is psychoactive. It's higher in marijuana than it is in hemp. Not very much, but significant, and it's a very important legal point that is recognized internationally. So more than 0.3% THC makes it marijuana, less than 0.3% by dry weight of THC makes it hemp. This is a field which is all hemp. It's been analyzed. We know it's hemp because we've taken the samples into the laboratory. We look especially in the blossom of the hemp plants because that's where the cannabidiol, CBD, concentrations are the highest. And these are the materials, not THC, that we're most interested in. One of the things that's very important is that we control the noxious weeds because they suck away the nutrients and the water that the hemp needs in order to grow and produce the valuable cannabinoids. And so we do this mechanically, either with rototilling or by hoeing or by hoeing with this very fancy Dutch hoe. So you can use it to kill the bindweed just by cutting it off at the surface. The weed control is necessary because we're not allowed and shouldn't use pesticides or herbicides on plants, but there are a few that are approved by the U.S. Department of Agriculture and can be very effective for even hemp. The plants come in many, many different varieties. There are hundreds of varieties. And you can see behind me and around me these almost like Christmas trees. Some of them are more than 7 feet tall, and they've been known to grow as high as 14 feet. On this plant, there's a ladybug that's crawling along, and it's eating the aphids that sometimes infest plants. This is an example of a narrow-leafed hemp plant, a variety called OTTO2, and you can see the beautiful purple blossoms. This is an example here of a so-called wideleaf or broadleaf hemp plant that is favored often for extractions because you get higher concentrations of CBDs in some of the plants that come from these strains. Research answers unknown things. Research anticipates that there will be things that are surprises. Hemp is a material whose time has come. This is going to be a great industry in Colorado and throughout the world when we learn the things we need to learn in carefully done clinical trials, which have been very difficult to conduct with all the restrictions that have been on us in the past.